Hello everyone, hope you're well. So today in this video, I will show you how to add schedule to GoLess Run. So this is my client GoLess account. It's a payment issue maybe. So he's already give me one project, and right now I will run a new campaign. Okay, so I'm just show you how to add schedule process to run. Okay, then first of all go to the campaign. First of all select your campaign, then directly go to the add schedule section. Hopefully you can see left hand side. Then you need a add schedule. Okay, so just click in the right button. Then you need a if you use an 12 hours clock, you can use this, and also if you want to use 24 hours clock, you can use that. I'm just use this 12 hours clock. So right now you can see it's Sunday. Okay, so first of all I will select that. Okay, so I'm just selecting the Sunday Friday. It's a Sunday. Okay, you just selecting the Sunday, and first time is 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. and to 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. Okay, so first of all select this time. Okay, so I'm just select in the time 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. So I'm just directly select 2 a.m. 2 a.m. Okay, then you can see 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so we are just trying to 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. first of all, and just click add. Same process, just selecting the Sunday, and you can see 10 a.m. right. So I'm just selecting the 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Then you can see 11 a.m. 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so if I use 10 a.m. 11 12 p.m. so directly we can use 12 p.m. Okay, so it, yeah, this one 12 p.m. That means 10 to start 10 11 and 12 directly p.m. 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. run. Okay, this I select 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, then you can see it's 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. 8 p.m. to okay, next target is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So I'm just trying to again Sunday. First of all select day, then 10 a.m. 10 a.m. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, sorry, 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, then same day Sunday 10 a.m. plus 9 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. 7 p.m. 5 to start 5 p.m. 6 p.m. 7 p.m. 8 p.m. Right, so 5 to 8 p.m. directly we can use, no problem. That's right, just select again. Sorry, yeah, 5 p.m. 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Then select again Sunday 6 7 8 p.m. 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. 3 p.m. no, 2 3 4 p.m. 2 to 3 p.m. 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, then just if you just say, hopefully you can see this time 2 p.m. Yeah, this time it's just Sunday, you can see. Okay, so same process you can use all of everything. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much.